My mother was, carrying the both of us unknowingly that we were conjoined already. She was initially with a different hospital. And then nung nanganak siya, unfortunately, that hospital cannot cater to us. That's why we came to Makati Med, and very fortunate enough that Makati Med was able to, give us that chance to live our own separate lives.
They were capable enough to do the operations, and kasi they believe that they can do it more successfully. Kasi I think Makati Med is more well equipped with doctors that can do it successfully.
When we were here in Makati Med, nobody knew na there was an existing conjoined twin in the building. So, being of Chinese descent, traditional mentality, we tried to keep it as simple and as hidden as much as possible. We don't want to talk about our condition. It's not about being an embarrassment to them. It's just that it's very unusual kasi sanay sa mga attention ng yung family namin na yung nakatutok sa kanila yung attention. So that's why we were kept hidden in the ICU, always with the blinds. When we were under surgery, under the knife, during that time, it was relayed to us that I think there were 20 doctors, 40 nurses. And then, while paghati, literally, when we were cut in half, 2 beds agad, then staff divide by 2. It's how you know that how well equipped and well prepared Makati Med was during that time, having enough, doctors and nurses.
Kaya 3 years old kami na separate kasi it took them a lot of time to prepare. When we got separated, may sarili kaming beds, right? So, and then kasi ang legs kasi namin before is like this.
On the side.
On side, right? Tapos, tas ginanon na siya. Then nakahook to sa taas. So we're laying down, nakahook to for a long time para permanent na diretso siya.
Alam niyo sa palengke, yung nakasabi.
Na pork.
Yun ang situation namin.
Ganun yan eh, dalawa.
Tapos nakahang yung leg. Then the body.
May butas, parang may scar siya nandito until now. May permanent scar siya. And then I think nagte-therapy kami, walking therapy. Ano pa ba? I think yun ang walking. Tapos tinatry diretso talaga to as much as possible so that we can walk properly. Yun yung mga very earliest memories.
I can remember, I think we got separated after the surgery. We were 3 years old, seeing each other from far away kasi 2 separate beds na siya. Unlike dati magkaharap kami. So, ayun yung parang hanggang ngayon hindi ko nakakalimutan.
It's weird nga eh, kasi...
So for me, number 1, ang hindi ko makakalimutan na I think it was one doctor that told me na ganyan na kayo. Make sure na hindi kayo nobody. You have to be somebody balang araw. So, with that mindset, I have been striving to do my best, just to prove that we are not different from other people.
I could say na I struggled din as well kasi it's really tough kasi I'm very athletic. Compared to him, I lift weights. I play basketball, badminton, nag-varsity ako before. So, even though I aspire to be, someone who can really play with the big boys, I cannot. So that's one of the downside. But positively, I'm very grateful kasi I can do the same thing na ginagawa nung 6-footer. I can run as fast and then I can maneuver as much as I want to. Physically, yun yung pinaka-good thing throughout my experience na na-develop ko. Growing the strength to move around, to lift things. Yun ang, I think that's my take to have positive impact in my life na I never really thought na I would be able to do it as much as anyone can. Ako, I'd like to thank firstly my parents, for not giving up on us. My grandma, who are like closest guardian na, who actually nandyan siya talaga throughout. From the baby hanggang today, kasama namin siya sa bahay. I have a lot of friends who accepted me for who I am and what I am. I really like to thank Makati Med itself kasi they brought us in, they took care of us, they care of us deeply, they nourish us. And up till now, tagal na ng panahon, they still think about us. Pero pinaka-last is the doctors. Hanggang ngayon nga na especially Dr. Datur na who took us talaga parang like his own sons na siya yung lagi naming hinahanap when we think of Makati Med, Dr. Datur. Other doctors, when we visit them, they automatically check on us. So, very, very grateful for everyone here in Makati Med, especially those doctors who helped us throughout from our birth up till today.
So for me, ganun din. Definitely number 1 is the Lord, syempre, si God, na we've
Yeah.
been given life. Even though na the struggle is real. Pero andun pa din, we're still living, and thank God talaga na, alam mo yun, kahit may physical complications tayo, we've never really had anything to complain about. We've never gone back to the doctor because may sakit kami or what. Just gusto lang natin magpa-check up or gusto lang natin mga busta. Wala lang tayong choice kasi, oy, magpa-check up ka, sasabihin ng doktor dito. Pero wala na kaming iniinda for the longest time, and very thankful kami doon. And because of definitely the doctors of Makati Medicals, without them, we wouldn't be feeling this type of, healthiness na we can do whatever na without any hindrance or worry. Although sila, alam niyo naman yung mga bawal, wag yun ang gawin. Dr. Baltasar, Dr. Manalo, Dr. Rivera, both the senior and junior, Dr. Gomez, yung sa ating
Bone?
sa bone.
Yeah.
So, Cairo ba siya? Or orthopedic doctor. And many other doctors na we've never really met, but they were there with us. And then the nurses and everything. And Makati Medical has accepted us wholeheartedly until now with them, I don't think na we would look for another hospital because I think Makati Med know us through and through ever since. So, yeah. Thank you.